Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be looking at 20 opposite words in English. We will also be looking at simple sentences for these words. Hot,
Hot,
cold, cold.
cold.
The soup is hot.
The soup is hot.
The ice cream is cold.
The ice cream is cold.
Big,
Big,
small.
small.
The elephant is big.
The elephant is big.
The mouse is small.
The mouse is small.
Tall,
Tall,
short.
short.
The tree is tall.
The tree is tall.
The bush is short.
The bush is short.
Fast,
Fast,
slow.
slow.
The car is fast.
The car is fast.
The turtle is slow.
The turtle is slow.
Happy,
Happy,
sad.
sad.
She is happy today.
She is happy today.
He looks sad.
He looks sad.
Light,
Light,
dark.
dark.
The room is light in the morning.
The room is light in the morning.
It is dark at night.
It is dark at night.
Up,
Up,
down.
down.
The balloon goes up.
The balloon goes up.
The ball falls down.
The ball falls down.
Left,
Left,
right.
right.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Open,
Open,
closed.
closed.
The door is open.
The door is open.
The window is closed.
The window is closed.
On,
On,
off.
off.
The TV is on.
The TV is on.
The light is off.
The light is off.
Full,
Full,
empty.
empty.
The glass is full of water.
The glass is full of water.
The bottle is empty.
The bottle is empty.
Young,
Young,
old.
old.
The puppy is young.
The puppy is young.
The dog is old.
The dog is old.
Strong,
Strong,
weak.
weak.
He is very strong.
He is very strong.
She feels weak after being sick.
She feels weak after being sick.
Wet,
Wet,
dry.
dry.
My clothes are wet from the rain.
My clothes are wet from the rain.
The towel is dry.
The towel is dry.
Clean,
Clean,
dirty.
dirty.
The floor is clean.
The floor is clean.
The shoes are dirty.
The shoes are dirty.
Day,
Day,
night.
night.
We work during the day.
We work during the day.
We sleep at night.
We sleep at night.
Inside,
Inside,
outside.
outside.
The cat is inside the house.
The cat is inside the house.
The dog is outside in the yard.
The dog is outside in the yard.
High,
High,
low.
low.
The airplane flies high in the sky.
The airplane flies high in the sky.
The kite flies low near the ground.
The kite flies low near the ground.
Heavy,
Heavy,
light.
light.
The box is heavy.
The box is heavy.
The feather is light.
The feather is light.
Long,
Long,
short.
short.
The rope is long.
The rope is long.
The pencil is short.
The pencil is short.
If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun English tips. See you next time.